Hello everyone, this is Jay from Solvic Power. Nice to meet you again. Look, it is summer. It's very hot. How many hours will your air conditioner work every day? Are you worrying about the electricity bill? No worry about it. Today, I will show you our solar air conditioner. Follow me. Let's see our solar air conditioner. Come on. Look, it is our showroom. We have many different kind of solar air conditioner here. Look, it is our solar air conditioner. Let's open the package and see the outlook and the function. After opening the package, we can see the appearance of our solar air conditioner. Our solar air conditioner supports 3 power sources: grid, solar panel, and batteries. Look, here is a PV connectors. You can use this port to connect your solar panels to power the air conditioner. Let's turn on the air conditioner by this remote control to feel this function. Our air conditioner also have the built-in Wi-Fi. You can use the application to control the air conditioner. Turn off and turn on. A++ energy efficiency rating, fast cooling and energy saving. It uses R32 environmentally friendly refrigerant, safe and efficient. Only those who truly understand the machines know how top of the line this product is. Our air conditioner supports heating and cooling from 1 horsepower to 2.5 horsepower. Split type and the ceiling type both available. This is an solar air conditioner which is tailor-made for you. Follow me. Next time I will show you more about our solar product. See you next time. Bye.